Discover Geneva top must-visit spots. Hello and welcome to Geneva. This city is so much more than a pretty face on a scenic lake. We're going to dive into the heart of Geneva, exploring its charming old town, marveling at the mighty Jet d'eau, and stepping into the world of international diplomacy at the United Nations office. Let's start with the star of the show, the Jet d'eau. This isn't just any fountain. It's a symbol of Geneva's spirit, shooting water 140 meters into the air. The best views? Head over to the Jardin Anglais or take a stroll across the Mont Blanc bridge. While you're there, don't miss the flower clock nearby, a whimsical reminder of Geneva's famous watchmaking heritage. And of course, a leisurely walk along the lakeside promenade is a must. Now let's wander into the heart of Geneva, the Vieille Ville, or Old Town. Imagine cobblestone streets, winding alleys, and buildings that have seen centuries of history. You can't miss St. Peter's Cathedral. Climb the tower for panoramic views of the city and the sparkling lake. Step into the Maison Tavel, the oldest house in Geneva, and take a peek into the past. Duck into a cozy cafe, browse the unique shops, and savor the atmosphere. It's a blend of history and modern life that's simply captivating. Next, we're stepping onto the world stage at the United Nations office in Geneva. Take a guided tour, peek into the Assembly Hall and the Council Chamber, and feel the weight of history in these halls. It's humbling to think that representatives from nearly every country gather here to tackle global issues. Afterward, take a breather at the Parc de l'Ariana, a beautiful park just next door. The views of Lake Geneva and the city are stunning, a perfect spot for reflection. Now, for a taste of nature's grandeur, let's head to the breathtaking Lake Geneva. Hop on a boat tour and soak in the beauty of the shoreline, the charming villages, and the snow-capped peaks in the distance. For a more leisurely pace, stroll along the famous Quai des Bergues, enjoying the vibrant atmosphere and the views. Or escape to Parc Grange, a lush green oasis on the lake's shores, perfect for picnics and relaxation. Lake Geneva invites you to relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature. Calling all watch enthusiasts, get ready to be dazzled at the Patek Philippe Museum. This isn't just a museum, it's a celebration of Swiss watchmaking at its finest. Inside, you'll find a mind-boggling collection of timepieces, from antique pocket watches to the most intricate modern creations. Take your time to appreciate the craftsmanship, the artistry, the sheer precision that goes into each piece. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just appreciate fine craftsmanship, this museum will leave you in awe. Our final stop takes us to a peaceful oasis in the city, the Parc des Bastions. Imagine strolling through meticulously landscaped gardens, vibrant flower beds, and along serene pathways. Seek out the Reformation Wall, a monument to the leaders of the Protestant Reformation, a reminder of Geneva's rich religious history. Spread out a blanket on the lush lawns for a picnic, or challenge a friend to a game of chess on the park's famous giant chessboard. Parc des Bastions is a place to relax, recharge, and simply enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Geneva is a city that effortlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're captivated by the Jet d'eau's watery display, charmed by the old town's historic streets, or find peace in the tranquil Parc des Bastions, Geneva has something for everyone. Remember to indulge in Swiss chocolate, savor a fondue dinner, and embrace the city's international spirit. Geneva is waiting to welcome you with open arms. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration, and check out my other videos for more in-depth guides to Geneva's hidden gems.